Once was a king. Before his rule, people were afraid of the god's death.
This king settled the city named Corinth and castle named Corinth. But the castle didn't have a spring of water, and the king wanted to give presents the gods, so that they helped him to find the water.
The king heard that Apollos and Zeus quarreled each other. Zeus hid himself to Apollos. The king found out of where Zeus is and told it to Apollos.
Zeus was very angry and threw a flash to Apollos. Apollos fell in the river. From this age, there are pieces of coal in this river.
Zeus turned around his own anger against the king, and Zeus directed
The king must trundle a boulder on the top of a hill. Boulder falls down every time, and the king must do it again and again.